Here is how to set up your adapter kit. The kit comes with 3 foam boards. You can mix and match any 2 of them to fit your specific needs. If you are keeping the Mark III outside the tent, grab the 110, 130 board and one of the larger 130, 150 boards. Start by popping out the foam inserts for the duct openings and the cord holes. Next, push the plastic grommets into the cord holes. Run the cords through the holes to connect the 2 boards together. Try to keep the lengths pretty even on both sides. Squeeze the buttons on the cord locks to feed the cords through, then tie a knot at the end of each one. Keep the boards loose with a little slack for now. Next, slide the 2 front ducts through the openings. Now for the important part, sandwich the tent fabric right between the 2 boards. Then, zip the tent down until the zipper head is tucked safely inside the foam. Once that is secure, tighten the cord locks to hold everything in place. Now, for setup 2, if you want the Mark III inside your tent, you will need the 2 matching larger boards. Assemble the boards with the cords just like we did in the first setup. Put the 2 rear ducts through the openings. Connect the drain tube to the unit and run it through the dedicated hole. Just like before, sandwich the tent fabric between the boards and zip it up until the zipper head is tucked inside. Tighten up the locks and you are good to go.